Hi, welcome back. I'm Jen, and if you are new here, I share simple projects that I'm doing around the house. Some of them are DIY, some of them are cleaning, organizing, decorating. It's just everything about the home. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this Hello Spring banner. So I am using some canvas fabric that I had in my fabric supply. So I cut these down to 4 by 6 inch rectangles. And what I've done so far is I have ironed them over. So I'm going to hem these. I also went to my Cricut and printed off some iron-on transfer vinyl, and let's get started. So I want all of the pieces to be the same length. So what I'm doing is I'm sewing along the seam here, and it's about 1/4 of an inch, and then along here and along this side. I'm keeping this open because this is going to iron down as my flap, so I can string through some twine on here. I've cut out 12 pieces, and I'm doing all 12 exactly the same. So the next step is to peel the excess off of the letters so we can iron them onto the canvas. So I have my iron out, and now it is time to iron on all of the letters. So what you want to do is just have your iron set to the correct setting. I have mine to, I think, linen, a hot setting. And then I have a piece of parchment that I lay over top. For a bit, and then I peel the plastic off, and then I set it again. Okay, now I want to measure up so each part of the banner is the exact same length. So I just have my tape measure here and a pencil, and I'm gonna mark up, it looks like 4.5 inches. I'm gonna pull this up, hopefully give you a better view here. Okay, so I'm measuring from the very bottom up. I'm going to go up 4.5 inches, and I'm just going to make a mark here. going to do that for all, and that's where the iron line will be. Since I have my iron here, I can just iron at the same time. Now I'm ready to sew the loop part here, and I don't want it interfering with the letter that I have, so I'm going to sew right above the letter. That will still give us enough room to thread the twine through. So now that they are all sewn, I'm going to go ahead and cut off all of the loose thread and clean this up, and then we will add the twine. So they're all done. Now let's thread them through with the twine. Grab my tweezers because I was having a little trouble. Them all on. Now let's go over to the mantle and hang up this banner. So before I go ahead and hang the banner, it's really important that I, get a little cleaning done. So I'm just doing a quick sweep and mop and a little bit of dusting so the banner can go up and I don't have to worry about moving it a little later. Spring mantle isn't complete without some fresh flowers, so I'm adding some flowers. I wanted eucalyptus, but the store didn't have any, so I'm using this variety instead. And this is how the banner turned out. I have the file ready for you if you want to make the same thing, linked below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.